Peace and good morning, Cornwall Bikes. Hello from Cornwall Bikes. Early morning, Sunday, May 17th, 2020. Took the beast out for a ride this morning, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm riding. It's all stock. This is the way the bicycle was originally built and sold in the stores. I bought this back in 1984, I believe, originally. Yeah, this bike is 34 years old, thereabouts, 35. It was originally built with Shimano Golden Arrow series. This is the precursor to 600. Here you can probably see the Golden Arrow better on the derailleur, on the front derailleur, also on the rear derailleur. That's the Golden Arrow. Looks very similar to the 600, which I absolutely adore and love. I should probably know the gearing that I have here. I got 42-52 on the front, BioPace chain rings. I've got a Shimano, can you believe it? It's a 600 crank. It's actually a 600. The internal cabling. Very sleek, very sexy. Comes out down at the bottom bracket here. The rear derailleur continues on in the chainstay. It comes through here at the back. Again, 6 Golden Arrow. I do have a more contemporary saddle. I modified the cockpit a little bit. Got the arrow levers. Again, cleans everything up, makes things look real nice, real pretty like. There's the Golden Arrow again. See it better from this side. Golden Arrow.